Up next to the stage will be act number 663. Please give it up for the specialty extended line. This is White Noise.
You know when you feel the weight
What's still masking the right depression?
You feel exhausted. Whatever you do, you feel you enjoy the as well. Things just don't feel
Antidepressants like symptoms of reduced depression, psychosis, and increased rates of death from antidepressants.
Depression may be related to an imbalance in natural chemicals between nerve cells in the brain. Prescription Zoloft.
Ask about this and how that affects your reality. And
I just don't get it.
When you wanna dance,
you will not be able to stay home, brother. You will not be able to plug in, turn on, and cop out. You will not be able to lose yourself on Skag and skip out for beer during commercials because the revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be brought to you by the Schaefer Award Theater and will not star Natalie Woods and Steve McQueen or Bullwinkle and Julia. The revolution will not fight germs that may cause bad breath. The revolution will put you in the driver's seat. There will be no pictures of you and Willie Mae pushing that shopping cart down the block on the dead run or trying to slide that color TV into a stolen ambulance. NBC will not be able to predict the winner at 8:32 on sports from 29 districts. The revolution will not be televised. The revolution will not be televised, will not be televised, will not be televised, will not be televised. The revolution will be no rerun, brothers. The revolution will be live.
when you wanna dance, you dance to the white noise. White noise. If you wanna get rich, get hip to the white noise. And if you get rich quick, then hip, you can be a rich bitch. I wanna make a parade to the mirror, come face to face. I feel so sensitive that my position might have to be shifted by a break. And now I'm counting up all of these benefits. It's nothing but white noise. Breaking up the white noise. Breaking the white noise. Breaking up the white noise. Breaking the white noise.
And that was act number 663.